How to use Verizon Perks feature 2026. To use the Verizon Perks, first of all, you need an eligible My Plan or home internet plan. Then go ahead and launch the Verizon application or simply launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the Verizon website. Now log into your account as an account owner or manager. Then select the Products and Plans perks or simply tap the Shop Products and Plans perk. Then choose an entertainment, travel or safety perk. Now add the perk, then turn the switch on for your chosen line and click confirm. Now you simply have to activate your subscription. After adding the perk to your plan, look for the setup option or activate prompt on the plan page. Then link your accounts and you can change, switch or remove your monthly perks at any time directly through your My Verizon account dashboard. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.